This video demonstrates how to call a file read service from the SBXA Service Request Builder. It assumes that you have already connected to the SBDemo account from the SBXA Service Request Builder and have a valid session ID. If you need help with these steps, please see the SBXA Services login video or the Getting Started with SBXA Services manual, available with the SBXA version 650 documentation set at docs.rocketsoftware.com. SBXA services are designed to make your SB Plus and SBXA applications consumable in a web or mobile environment. The SBXA Service Request Builder, shipped with every installation of SBXA version 650 and later, is a mock web client designed to test your SBXA services. Success with the Service Request Builder indicates that your services are ready to be implemented in a web or mobile application. The SBXA Read service allows you to read from Universe or Unidata files from a REST API while using SBXA field definitions to guide the read or write. To read data from an SBXA file, a service definition is required. You can create a service read definition by entering SRD at the process ID prompt in Rich Client or SB Client. In the following example, we will read data from the SBDemo cust file. A service read definition called cust_mob is included in SBDemo, and this predefined service definition permits reads and writes to the cust file. This demonstration performs a read of the cust file from the SBXA Service Request Builder. First, we can look at the service definition to understand the process. To open the service definition, enter SRD at the process ID prompt and cust for the dictionary name. In the definition field, enter cust_mob. This screen is the same for both read and write services. Note that each field in the service definition must be specified as read, write, or read-write. This definition specifies each field as read-write. In the SBXA Service Request Builder, click the Method List box and select Read. When you choose Read, the Service Request Builder parameters change to match what is required to invoke an SBXA file read service. In the field that corresponds to File, enter cust, the name of the file from which we intend to read. In the field that corresponds to ID, enter a valid customer record ID, for example 40. In the field that corresponds to the service name, enter the name of the service read definition, in this example cust_mob. Click Submit. The result set is returned in the response area, displaying the fields defined in the service definition. For reference, the SBXA Read service uses an HTTP post to submit data to be processed by SBXA at the specified resource. The specified resource is the target URL. The payload section of the Service Request Builder forms the message body of the post request.